welcome you to this extraordinary event today with this extraordinary weather, commemorating the three Hawaiian princes who first introduced surfing not only to Santa Cruz, but to all of North and South America. And I want to say that I use the word introduced advisedly. For 3 years, they were part of this community here. They had close family ties to this community. And by introducing surfing, they not only put on an exhibition, but they taught others here about surfing, so that a decade later, an article in the appropriately named Santa Cruz Surf noted that young boys from Seabright were surfing like the Hawaiians in the waters off the River Mount and Seabright Beach. A day of mana, a day of spirit, a day of aloha. And in that spirit, I want to welcome a dear friend of mine, Kalae, to perform a chant in honor of the day and in honor of the princes.
E ho mai kai ke mai na mai he o na mea una no e o na mele e ho mai e ho mai e ho mai o na da la me tale e alele no ya na kanu o ka no ya eli ane o yo dai ti mai ai ki puno go ai ki puno me te alo aloha aloha kalaku hilo I Kawanui kapukanu kai kapuau kaleo I ka hama Hamo kako, ika havana vana, iki kulo maka, ika avihi maka, ika alawai yo koa mai vai leo, e ole kaya mai aloha aloha. Ina a ohe nalu, ku kanalu. Ina a ohe nalu I kai, alai la kuya. Ku kanalu, ku mai kanalu nui. Kai ko oe he, aloha he, aloha.
We owe a lot to the three princes that started the surfing culture that allow us today to be Santa Cruz being what it is, Surf City. And all legal battles over trademarks aside, this is Surf City. I have a proclamation that I'd like to read about today's events. Appreciate our guests that are visiting here as well. Whereas in the summer of 1885, three Hawaiian princes, David Kawananakoa, Edward Kelliahonui, and Jonah Kuhio, were guests of the Swan family in the city of Santa Cruz. And whereas on July 20th, 1885, the Santa Cruz Surf reported that the young Hawaiian princes were in the water enjoying it hugely and giving interesting exhibitions of surfboard swimming as practiced in their native lands. And whereas this exhibition represents the first recorded account of surfing off the mainland of the Americas, And whereas the Three Hawaiian Princes rode surfboards made of redwood from the Santa Cruz Mountains that were milled at the Grover Lumber Company located in downtown Santa Cruz. And whereas on July 23rd, 1896, the Santa Cruz Surf noted that the boys who go swimming at Seabright Beach use surfboards to ride the breakers like the Hawaiians, indicating that surfing had taken hold in Santa Cruz during the 19th century. And whereas noted author Kristin Zambucka of Honolulu conceived of the idea for a plaque honoring the Three Hawaiian Princes and their continuing contributions to surfing in Santa Cruz, designed the plaque and helped arrange for its funding. And whereas Santa Cruz historian Geoffrey Dunn and surfer and historian Kim Stoner's extensive research on the Three Hawaiian Princes helped to bring their story to light. And whereas Princess Kapiolani Kawananakoa, the Marchesa Marignoli, is the granddaughter of Prince David Kawananakoa, and whose family, including Princess Regina Kawananakoa and Prince David Kawananakoa, her niece and nephew, gave generously to the production of the plaque. And whereas artist Sean Monahan designed the base for the plaque and contributed bronze artwork to its construction. And whereas artist, surfer, and cement scion Tom Ralston helped design and oversaw the construction of the base for the plaque. And whereas surfer Dan Young and legendary Santa Cruz surfer Harry Mayo, along with Geoffrey Dunn, Kim Stoner, and city staff, served on the committee that placed the plaque at this point, Lighthouse Point. Now therefore I, Mike Rotkin, Mayor of the City of Santa Cruz, on behalf of the entire City Council, do hereby proclaim Friday, April 9th, 2010 as Three Hawaiian Princes Day in the City of Santa Cruz, and encourage all citizens to join me in celebrating the unveiling of the plaque dedicated to their honor here at Lighthouse Point. And I'd like to deliver this proclamation to the princess who's here today with us.
Thank you, Harry. Thank you, Doug. Wow, it's absolutely stunning. The photo that's used in this plaque, just so everyone knows, is of the three princes while they were students at St. Matthew's in San Mateo.
I'm going to do a rubbing.
I want to rub it now. It's beautiful. Oh, Nina here has got it.
That's cool. This is